Hello there and welcome to Algebra Play, Lesson 17, Pictorial Solution. The objectives for this, you will be solving equations using pictorial solution and then answer independently activity pages in your worksheets. For your materials, you will still be using the same worksheets, but this time you will be needing your correction tape and your black ball pen. Now for your worksheets, solve pages 64 to 68. So here's what you need to do, just like the previous ones, but this time it's just pages 64 to 68. You still will make a self video on page 66, this time items 8 to 10. And then you do not go beyond 2 minutes for your video. Okay, for your hands-on time on activity 17, still the self video, solving page 66 items 8 to 10 using your hands-on algebra kit. Save your video and submit to Dojo. Now for activity 17B, answer pages 64 to 68 of your worksheets. Take picture of your answered pages. You make sure that it is clear, and then submit to Dojo one by one. All right, so let's solve the basic equation and use pictorial solution. Now our equation is x plus 2 plus x is equal to x plus 8, and we have the setup right now. So what we will do right now is to go directly to the legal moves. So we start with the jacks, and then we start, and then it is followed by the number dices or the number cubes. So 8 minus 2 is 6. Bring that down. So the value of our x is 6. Now, using substitution, let's find out what is the value of the equation. So 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 6 is 14. So 14 is the value of our left expression. And x, which is 6 plus 8, is equal to 14. Therefore, the value of our right expression is 14. Now, final answer, therefore, is x is equal to 6. And our value for the equation is 14. All right, so now let's solve for the next solution, for the next equation rather, using pictorial solution. So 2x plus 1 plus x plus 4 is equal to x plus 16 plus x. Now that we have the setup, let's proceed to legal moves. So we take away the jacks on both sides, equal amount of jacks, and then we take away the number cubes from this equation. So 16 minus 5 is 11. Let's bring that down. Therefore, the x value is 11. So now let's do the substitution if the value is 11. So 2 times 11 is 22, plus 1 is 23, plus 11 is 34, plus 4 is 38. On the other side, x is equal to 11 plus 16, 27, plus 11 is 38. Therefore, the value of our equation is 38, while the value of our x is 11. Now, the next equation, pay attention because there is an operation in the setup of subtraction. So that's 5x minus 3x plus x plus 7 is equal to 2x plus 1 plus x plus x. Okay, so now we can do the legal moves. But first, let's bring that down. Okay, so the legal moves first is for the jacks. So that leaves us 1. And then we subtract 1 from 7, and that leaves us 6. Therefore, let's bring it down. Our x value is 6. Now let's do the substitution. 5 times 6 is 30, less 3 times 6 is 18. So that remains 12. Yes, that's 12. Plus 6, that is 18. Plus 7 is 25. On the other side, 2 times 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13, plus 6 is 19, plus 6 is 25. Therefore, the value of our equation is 25, while the value of our x is 6. All right. Now here's for the recap on expression repetition. Again, expressions in parentheses are always the first to be solved in equation setup. And then, the number on the left side of the parenthesis cannot to mag-determine on how many times the expression is to be repeated. And that is what you call multiplication. Now, when you're done with this, which is the setup, only then can you proceed to solve for the value of x and the value of the equation afterwards. Now, here's something to help you solve equations. The first thing you need to do is to set it up, especially if there is already a subtraction on the equation itself. So you need to set it up first. After that, you do the legal moves. This is to find the x value. When you have the x value, substitute the x's in your equation with the value, and then find the value now of the equation. Okay, so if you find it easier to memorize the step using acronym, then you may use SLXSV or select val to memorize the step for this expression repetition solution. I'll see you next meeting then.